Steve Forbish has nearly 40 years of experience working as a diesel mechanic, so he knows what diesel machines do to the air quality, especially in underground and surface mines. To combat the problem, he's worked on perfecting the technology to improve the performance and efficiency of diesel engines, which has made significant strides in improving the working lives of miners and lowering fuel costs. At Reveal E&C, Mr. Forbish typically works with very large diesel engines, such as mining equipment, locomotives, and other engines that operate around the clock at a very high duty cycle. And making even small efficiency improvements to those machines can have a large impact. Through their efficiency-based maintenance software, they've identified engine performance improvement opportunities that have saved over 82 million gallons of diesel fuel, which has resulted in the elimination of over 1.8 billion pounds of pollution. That's the equivalent of removing nearly 352 million passenger cars from the road. Starting Reveal E&C with his son in 2016, Mr. Forbish has made significant strides in improving Utah's air quality. And it all started with a belief that green business practices and solutions don't need to be theoretical pie-in-the-sky imaginations. They are solutions that can be addressed today.